Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have another makeup look recorded. This is a smoky eye with a nude lip tutorial. I am just going to go right into this video, so keep watching. I have already moisturized my face and I'm going to be starting with my brows like I normally do, and now I'm just brushing them in place and using this eyebrow pencil by MAC, and this is in the color Spiked, and this is my go-to eyebrow pencil. I'm just going to fill up my brows and clean it up with my concealer. And now I am just brushing that in place to get rid of the harsh lines. I did the same thing for the other brow. I'm just brushing that in place as well. And now I am just using this angled brush to clean it up with my concealer. And I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW40 and NC50. I'm going to clean that up and bring that down to my lid and use that concealer as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm just going to set that with this translucent color in my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And now I am going for a smoky eye look, so I wanted it to be a little bit dark, and just using the eyeshadow alone would not come out dark enough for me. So I am using this eyeliner by No Tug Cosmetics, and I am just going to line my lid with this dark eyeliner. And this is it's a black color, but it has like a blue tint to it. So I am just actually blending out the line. I did not take this all the way to my crease like I normally do. I wanted my crease color a little bit lighter. So I did something different today. So I'm just blending that out to get rid of the harsh lines. And now I'm using this burgundy color in my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. And I'm putting that in my crease. And I'm just getting a blending brush to blend that out properly. And I did the same thing on the other eye, and now I am just making the outer V a little bit darker, and I am using this Carbon eyeshadow by MAC. And I'm blending all of that into my crease as well. I'm just blending out the outer edge to get rid of the harsh lines. And just blend and blend and blend. And I am setting my eyebrow bone with this translucent color in the same Too Faced chocolate bar palette. And I'm going to line my eyes with my favorite eyeliner, and I'm using this dual stroke dual end eyeliner. And it has two ends. It has a thinner end and a thicker end. I'm actually using the thicker end today because I wanted my eyeliner a bit thicker. And now I'm just using the same No Tug eyeliner to line my waterline. And now I clean out the outer edge of my eyeshadow. I'm just using my concealer to clean that out. And now time for lashes. And I'm wearing the Ardell Professional Lashes with the duo eyelash glue. And it came with a eyelash applicator, and that's what I used. Just trying to make sure that's in properly. I'm just lining my eye again to cover up whatever mistakes I made while I was putting on the lashes. So now I am just priming my face, and I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Just putting that all over my T-zone, my chin, and my forehead. And then I also went ahead and color corrected with my Elegant Pro Concealer. And now I am using this foundation, Lancome Teint Idole Ultra 24-Hour Makeup Foundation. I used two shades in this foundation. I used 430 and 465. Couldn't find my exact shade, so I just mixed those two together. I'm just using tapping motions. And now I am going to be highlighting. And I'm using two different shades of this Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the color Deep and Tan Sand. The Deep wasn't bright enough for me, and the Tan Sand was too bright, so I mixed the two of them together. So I put the Deep on first, and I just put a little bit of the Tan Sand on top of that, and then blended the two together. I'm just using my beauty blender. I actually sprayed this beauty blender with my setting spray to make it a bit damp before I started using it to blend. And just blending and blending and blending. Now I'm just blending the edges out to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using my Sashabutter setting powder. Just setting all the areas that I highlighted. And setting the jawline. And now I'm going to contour using my Sleek Contour Kit. Contouring my cheekbones. I love the way it makes my cheekbones look when I do this. And just make sure you blend that out really well. Blending is the key when it comes to contouring. upwards when you contour, not downwards. That's why I'm taking the brush upwards while I'm blending. Now I'm just contouring my forehead. My jawline. My chin. Now I'm going to contour my nose. I just use this brush to actually put on the contour shade, but I blend it out with a more fluffy brush. And I'm using the Sleek Contour Kit to contour my nose. And just blend that in and take it upwards towards my eyebrow while I'm blending it. And now I'm going to use this blush by MAC, and this is in the color Passionately Tempted. And now I'm just going to set my whole face using this Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, and this is in the color Dark. And just put that all over my face, and everything blends together. And now I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line. I'm using the same burgundy color I used in my top lid. And I use my mascara, and now I'm just setting my whole face, and I'm setting it with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I'm using this highlighter shade in my Too Faced palette just to highlight my waterline. And now I am using the Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my cupid's bow. And I think I highlighted my eyebrow bone a little bit more. I wanted it to pop. Now I'm going to line my lips using this lip liner by MAC in the color Chestnut. And now time for the lipstick. I'm using these two shades, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm using the shade Cairo and Abu Dhabi. And this is the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed filming this look, and I think it came together pretty well. The eye look is a little different for me. My smoky eyes are normally all over my lid, but I wanted to try something different, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. I definitely love feedback, And thank you so much for watching. I think this is actually gonna be one of the first deep eyeshadow looks that I'm going to do, and I'll be doing a lot more. If you like this look, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to do more looks like this, please let me know. Or if you have any suggestions, or if there's anything you want to see, if there's anything you want me to film, just let me know. I'll be doing a lot more makeup tutorials coming up, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any, and click the bell so whenever I post a video you will be notified. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed making this video, and many more to come. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.
Your body, oh. All the times where I do you bad,